Hi, I'm Adam from Risk Assessment Wizard. In this video, I'll show you how to create a complete risk assessment step by step. We'll use Scouts as our example, but remember, Risk Assessment Wizard is suitable for all industries, from construction and offices to schools, outdoor providers, health and beauty, and many more. And we're constantly expanding our database. From the home page, I'll type my activity into the search bar to get started. You can also choose an industry area and navigate through the activities that way if you prefer. Next, you'll see a list of suggested benefits and hazards. For kayaking with Scouts, this might include benefits like teamwork, kayaking skills, and resilience, and hazards such as cold water, bad weather, or equipment failure. Simply tick the ones that apply to your assessment. These recommendations are tailored to each industry, so whether you're in construction, offices, or health and beauty, the wizard will display the most relevant options. When you're ready, just click Start Assessment. The first step asks for an overview of your activity. The wording here changes slightly depending on the industry you selected. For Scouts, you'll be asked the purpose of the activity summary, and location details. In construction, this step might be called Project Overview. The idea is the same: set the context for your assessment. Once you've filled in the required details, click Next. Now add your adult leaders. Click Add Leader and enter their name, role, and an optional phone number. Once added, mark who is attending, assign a team lead, and ensure at least one person is marked as a first aider. These staff members are saved to your account, so you can reuse or edit them later from your dashboard. That way, future assessments are much quicker to create. Next, record who's taking part. For example, Cub Pack A. Add a group contact number, the number of participants, and your first aid provision, for example, first aid kit and trained leader present. Then click Next. Every assessment needs an emergency contact. Add their name and number, then select which one to use. Like supervisors, these contacts are stored for future use and can be managed in your dashboard. That means you don't have to re-enter the same details each time. Here you'll review the benefits you selected earlier. You can edit, remove, or add more to highlight the positive outcomes of your activity. When adding more, you can choose from our recommended benefits or create a new one entirely. When you're happy, click Next. Now review the hazards. Each one comes with a description, who is at risk, and suggested control measures which you can edit to suit your activity. If you need more, you can also create completely new hazards yourself. This gives you full flexibility to cover any risks unique to your organization or event. For Scouts, that might mean creating a location-specific hazard. Once you're happy, click Next. This next step is optional. Use it for extra details like transport arrangements, kit lists, or any reminders. Then click Next. Now add your group or organization name, like Second Scouts, and upload a logo if you'd like. Then click Save. You'll see a disclaimer confirming that you are responsible for the information entered. Read it carefully, then click I agree. At the final step, you've got two choices. Either get the risk assessment emailed straight to yourself, or, what I recommend, create a dashboard account. Simply fill in your details, create a password, and navigate to your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can now download and view your risk assessment. This file contains all the details you entered during the wizard. You can open it directly to review, save it to your computer for future reference, or print a copy to share with colleagues. With our premium dashboard, you can return at any time to edit your assessments, manage staff members, update emergency contacts, and download updated versions. You can also share assessments with your team members so everyone has access. So while emailing works for quick access, creating a dashboard gives you full control and collaboration for the future. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at the dashboard and show you how to make the most of its features. That's how to create a risk assessment using Risk Assessment Wizard. We use Scouts as the example today, but remember, it works across all industries. With your dashboard, you can edit, manage, and share assessments with your team, making the whole process even easier. Try it today at riskassessmentwizard.com.